Black Tourmaline is a really great crystal whenever there's any type of conflict. It can really help to bring balance into any situation. You can see just from the structure of it that it kind of grows in these rods and it moves energy backwards and forwards. So first of all, if you are in conflict with maybe yourself or with someone else, this is a really great one for helping you to see other perspectives and to make sure that you have a balanced perspective. You know, there's nothing worse than being wrong, is there? Let's be honest. But sometimes when someone else has a differing opinion, it can be really hard to kind of cross the fence and understand what their perspective is. If that's the case, try sitting with Black Tourmaline. You might want to journal, you might want to meditate, and just kind of imagine what that person's perspective is about, why they're coming from that point of view, almost walking a mile in their shoes type of thing. And then it will kind of help you to understand and maybe form some kind of compromise. Now, you can also use it in situations, maybe there's going some conflict at work or somewhere, you know, in your life. Placing Black Tourmaline around, ideally if you can put it on a negotiating table in between the two parties, it will actually allow energy to flow really good while absorbing low vibration energies, insults and criticisms that will just deflect and kind of get in the way of a resolution happening as well. If you have children and they keep on squabbling or fighting, placing this in their playroom or wherever they're hanging out can be really great, or anywhere where family members as adults tend to have conflict as well. Black Tourmaline can be really great. Black Tourmaline's energy of able to ground us, to be sensible, to see other perspectives and have a balanced point of view can help us to solve conflicts, to help us to be more helpful in a conflict, but also can bring energy into spaces that can help other people solve conflicts as well. So next time you have a conflict, have some Black Tourmaline nearby and let's see what difference it makes. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to know more about how to use Black Tourmaline, especially when it comes to goal setting and making your dreams come true, then make sure you check out my next video. I'm Adam Barralet. Blessed be.